people, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do these really cute DIY Jhene Aiko inspired jumper braids. So if you want to know how to do these at home on your own like a pro, make sure you watch to the end. So the products I'm going to be using today is good old Shine and Jam. I've got my xpression hair that I washed and stretched last night, ready to go. I've got 3 packs of this and an extra one just in case I run out, and just the usual tools, combs, Denman brush just in case, and clips. So I'm gonna start. Let's start by sectioning into 2. And these are actually jumbo braids, so I want the parts quite big. Let's do the first one behind my ear. So the hair I've got, you want to make sure that this and this is the same thickness. So I'm getting quite a lot. So about this much to match the thickness of my hair. And I'm putting it here. And I'm just going to grab my hair, pull it through, and then this one makes the third plait. And you just start braiding as normal. I'm not really sure I'm going to do the ends. I think I'm going to braid kind of midway to the end and then do a little curly thing. So now I'm getting to the end of my hair and I'm going to split it off. So I'm going to take a bit of hair from this section and a bit from this section to make the 3. Honestly, this is the hardest part, is the end of the hair. Trying to tuck your ends in is a whole skill. So I'm going to go to about here. So this is the final result. This is with all the ends curled. I've kind of done it different size. I use different size rollers. So I used a combination of like thin ones, thicker ones and medium ones because I didn't really want it to look too structured and uniform. I wanted it to be a little bit more messy and wavy looking, so that's why. But I'm really happy with how it looks. Like, I did my baby hairs as well. So this is the final result. Let me know what you think of it. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next one. Bye.